Hey guys, here's a quick little video on a really cool way to peel boiled eggs. First, obviously, you want to get your boiled eggs and you want to put them in your pot, fill them with water, and boil them for a total of 10 minutes. Now, once they come to a boil, the easiest way to ensure an easy peel of these eggs is going to be to immediately get rid of the hot water, the boiling water, pour it down the sink, and then immediately put your cold water on the eggs. And do it a few times until you have cooler water in there. That's going to separate the eggs from the actual shells a whole lot easier. Once you do that, you poke a little hole into one end of the egg, the smaller end. You notice there's a wider end and a smaller end, a more narrow end on the egg. And you want to poke a little bit bigger hole in the bottom side of the egg, the larger end of the egg. Now you want to put the small hole up to your mouth, form a good seal with your lips on it, and blow into that open egg. And what that's going to do is that's going to send that egg right out of that bottom hole. You got to admit, that's pretty cool. Just got to make sure that you know who's actually in the house and who's going to be eating those eggs, because I'm not sure if you're making a potato salad or an egg salad for a big barbecue and you have a bunch of people coming over there. That's probably not the right way to peel your eggs. But if it's just for you and just to show the kids or whatever, pretty cool thing.